Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have one math expression here, 70 minus 100 divided by 2. Maybe you solve this expression like this. 70 minus 100 gives us negative 30. And negative 30 divided by 2 gives us negative 15. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS that is here, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. So 100 divided by 2 gives us 50. Now let's rewrite the expression. 70 minus 50, 70 minus 50 gives us 20. The final answer is 20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.